Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Range Rover Evoque on a 22 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside the boot area of the vehicle first of all. The tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the button on the key just here, or from the tailgate itself. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space, along with the 3 individually folding rear seats, should you wish to increase this space even further again. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and then as I said, we'll hop in and run through just a few of the controls on the inside. Now that we've done a full circle of it though, you can see firstly the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, first of all, we have the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. In the centre, you can see the total miles for the car. They're 25,195. We have the fuel gauge above that and the coolant temperature gauge over to the right-hand side. In the dead centre, you can see a digital readout for the speedometer. And below that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic, so of course, we are currently in park. If we back out to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo controls, voice activation for our phone. Over on the right hand side, speed limiter, cruise control, a heated steering wheel, and behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles so that you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox should you wish to do that. Into the centre next, we have the main touchscreen for the car. So we're on the home screen at the moment, where you can access all of these different menus that you see just here. The main ones that you're going to use more than likely are at the beginning here. So for example, your satellite navigation, as you can see, nice clear colour display, very easy system to use. We can come back to the home screen from there. You can pair up your phone, you can access your media options on here, so your radio. At the top here you can see, for example, all the different ways you can connect and listen to music. Down the home screen section, if we hit that in the bottom corner there, you get a slightly different layout, but on here you can see that we've also got Android Auto and Apple CarPlay available in the vehicle as well. So loads of ways to listen to your music or interact with the screen, generally speaking. And we've also got a full colour reversing camera on the left hand side here, and a kind of a visual guide to the parking sensors on the right hand side. Working our way down from that, we have the dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, you can adjust the heated seats on the car for both passenger and over here for driver. Again, temperature, push it in, you can adjust your heated seat. If we press the fan button, we are then adjusting the fan speed within the car, as you can see, and you can come back out of that whenever you wish to. Along the top here, we have the option to turn the air conditioning off. On again, we can put the system into auto, so the car will take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperature that we've asked for, and you can override that manually whenever you wish to. You can change the direction of the air from here, press that button, and it will appear on the main screen. You can then select a zone or multiple zones should you wish to. Heated front screen and a heated rear screen on top of all of that. And then along the bottom here, you can turn off your traction control, your downhill brake control. You can turn off the stop and start for the car. And we have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox as well. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. I have a button up here, give that a push. The sun blind will open all the way to the back of the vehicle. This is a fixed section of glass, but as you can see, it lets in a huge amount of light to the cabin area of the vehicle. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live, bespoke video walk around of the car, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.